Hey, let's open up the surprise egg and see what's inside. Hey, but before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe! Alright, so the first egg. Let's see what's inside. Alright. Ooh. Seems like it's a little car. So this is what our car will look like. Yay, all finished! This is our finished car. Do you guys like it? Woohoo! Hi, welcome to the club. Join us. Here, be next to me. Okay. Wow. Whoa, this one's really fast. It's gonna hit the eggs. Boom. Oh my god. Alright, let's put you right here. Next egg, let's go. Shake, shake, shake. Ooh, it's another car. But this one is really colorful. So here is what the car will look like in the end. So here's a car. It's another car. It doesn't wind up like the other one. You can use this to, I guess, hit it and let it go. Yeah. So this is the truck. This is like. Oh my gosh! Cut this out, baby. Anyways, this is our car. Okay, let's put you guys with the others. Put you on this side. Open up the last one. Let's see what's inside. Come on. Whoa. This does not look like a car. Wow. Look at that. Put the sticker on. So we put the sticker on here. And then you throw this disc to shoot at you like this. Boom, boom. Alright. Woohoo! This one's matching. With red. Look at that, this one's matching. With red and red. Look, there's yellow and also yellow. So this is what our crew looks like at the end of the day with our 3 new additions. 1, 2, 3. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye.